Here to me, and I'll be explaining to you, showing you practically what you need to know about things about gold, what you should always look out for before you find your entering on gold, before you enter any gold signals, or before you enter any gold setup. These are the things. This is just a trade I took that gave me 200 pips. Of course, send it to the group, and everybody nuked massively. And I want to share it every. And then people were looking, were reaching out to me that, Coach Sam, what exactly did you saw that makes you to buy this trade? And I said I'll be explaining to every one of you so you can understand. However, this trade I'm still looking out for a massive 500 pips. The 200 pips is just a sniper. It's just a minor pips for me, because I still believe it will still definitely do more than 1,000 pips. So I'm expecting for the thousands of pips. But I want to explain to you how I got that quick 200 pips, 200 plus pips, and how you can, of course, harness that, and of course be able to trade that whenever you trade gold, and of course whenever you see such, because such repeat itself often and often times. And what did I saw? I just made 200 pips from this, and I made some couple of good profits and good money from that. And I want to share it to everybody. Let me show you. I came to my, okay. Of course, I do my analysis from daily. I saw that daily is more or less a sell, because I could see that the market is just still trying to take away this my cycle level, coming to somewhere around here. That's where I'll be going a bit long. So it's still more or less, or coming back to my trend line. So it's still more or less good. It's showing a more or less this thing. However, on 4 hour, we are mostly consolidating. Consolidate after we have a push down, taking away all of this. We are consolidating at this middle of the world cycle level, which shows that I'm leaning to go out in either for buy here or sell. Anyone, once it breaks out and retest, I'll be entering the buy or the sell. You can see my two boxes are drawn here. So anytime market breaks out and retest, I will definitely still be going in for, and that will definitely be giving me about thousands and thousands pips. Am I talking someone? So that I'm still waiting for that. Beyond these 200 pips, 200 and something pips, I just make. I'm still expecting for that. So let me quickly show you what I saw and why I just ate up in that. Very quickly, guys. This was what I saw. Markets was already doing this formation, lower low, lower low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. At this point, let me show you. Let me take away my stuffs. Let me show you. Let me take away my stuffs. As at this point, market did the lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Can you see? As at this point, I saw this candlestick. Can you see, guys? I saw this candlesticks with a weak rejection. This candlestick closes as same as this other pin bar. This is was one. This was a second confirmation for me. This candlestick was engulfed this pin bar. Don't does not only do a pin candlesticks. Two pin candlesticks makes what a reversal. Most especially when they are at a key zones. I'm not talking someone. I repeat, pin bar and rejection makes more sense whenever they are at a key zone. So this rejection there, that market is trying to push, buyers are trying to push this market upward. This is the first one. The second one now engulfed it again to show more strength. Let me show you. Why do I know that place is a key? It's just that place is a key level. You can see that place, now when the market got here rejected, got here rejected, got here rejected, got here rejected, one, two, three, four, and the fifth one, it should definitely still reject, because we are having a what? A consolidation at this point. I took a sell 2 year again. And when the market gave back, I took another sell again, because this is still a consolidation. So it's more or less like sell at buy at support and sell at resistance. Am I talking to someone? Buy at support and sell at resistance. That's exactly what it's still doing. So anyone that can always trade. So even a newbie can always trade this. Once you see confirmation, once you see your entry, it's just be selling up here, be buying down, selling up. That's it. That's what I did. That's it. So I saw this engulfed. This was second confirmation for me. This market, I waited for it to close. Once it closes, wow, that was good. And with a pin bar, then I know that this zone is a strong zone. The market keep rejecting. So I was ready for shoot. I waited for the next bar to open, and this next bar opened again in bullish. Then I come in and I saw it clear, not just on 15-minute time frame, it was also clear on what? On 30-minute time frame. That is to say that 30 minutes is engulfing this little bar. That was another confirmation for me. What I needed is that my stop loss would have to be what at the bottom of this last pin bar, because I know the market might still play around this point. So I put my stop loss so at the just at the least the bottom of this last pin bar here. Because stop to be at the safer side. I should tell my student they should know how to place stop loss. Otherwise, you always be wicked out. Market will just get you knocked out, and that's all. Because of not just you're not because you're not right, and not because you don't know the predictions of the market, or you don't know where it's supposed to go, but because you're wrong. Am I talking to someone? So let me continue my explanation. So I did put my stop loss there, and then of course we entered. The market we texted. I still had another position. The last candlestick that opened, I knew whenever I saw this candle coming here, I knew that what he wants to what he still wants to come and do in 1 hour time frame. He wants to come and do the last phase here and reject it. This phase here and reject it. So I was much more confident that the market was still buy because this last can and then I think at that time the news was already coming out. Immediately the market, immediately this one closes, immediately this last candle closes. This is where I put my stops. Immediately last candle closes, this candle closes. Immediately this closes, boom, we have a push, push. I after that around here, push about 200 p plus 200 p plus, simple like ABC, simple like ABC. It just makes sense. I saw it engulfing not just what I saw, 3 to 4 things. I saw there what this was a key levels, market keep getting, this is the fifth one. I saw after from that I saw what there is a pin candlesticks beyond just one. I saw another pin candlestick again engulfed. That is two. Another one, that's making three again. Not just only that, I went to my 30-minute time frame to see how powerful that could be. It's also engulfed. Then I waited for this one to also close. This also close it, makes it to engulf this one in 30-minute time frame, in 15 time frame. These are the things we need to tell you guys. Once time frame begin to occur, begin to give me more confirmations, more conferences, more confirmations on your conferences, then you should be more confident since they are already correlated to each other. This was saying buy, more giving more assurances. So that's why I was able to really, I was strongly, and I put my stop loss here because I knew the market can still play around this week here. Can still play around any time around this week, then go. So that was why we make it. It was so quick. It was within it was within 12 to 4 minutes on this trade. And I saw it, I was so this was a super pumped and a sharp trade. I said anything, guys mute everything they see in the group, and everybody was super happy. We all make money. So that will make me to say if you are not on our group, on our family, on Telegram, I must say that you are definitely missing a lot. I want to urge you, and of course, I urge you to please. You can join our Telegram. You can see the link on my bio or on this description below, and join our Telegram so you can get access to free signals, free gold signals every blessed day. You don't want to miss it. It's so amazing, it's so interesting, it's so sweet. When you just come into the market within 5 10 minutes, you're made bastard of money. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So you want to miss such things. So I want to urge you, please and please join our community, and of course, you do yourself a good. And as well, I will also say that if you're just watching me for the very first time, of course, you would also like to what join, subscribe to this channel so you can learn a lot from us. We break down forex for you in ABC. We may step by step way so you can understand freely, and we put valuable and cogent content here on this channel. I hope you understand, and if you do not, let me know on the comment section so that I can reply to you via mail or any of our team can do and reply to you. Thank you so much once again for joining me today. I remain Sam Ayinde. Thank you for bye for now, guys. Enjoy your week and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye for now, guys.